Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. My name is Iberedin Basi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a user from the Microsoft 365 using the Microsoft 365 Administrative Center. Simple, short, and straight to the point. So we are going to go to our M365 Administrative Center. This is our admin center. I've showed you how to access this in previous videos where you can use either coming in to office.com, going to apps and going to admin center, or going using the cmd.ms. So here I'm going to search for the user I want to delete, which is name is Matthew, and I'll search for him. I'll select the user. After selecting the user, for best practice, it's important that you can first of all decide to block sign in for the user. You can block sign in. When you click on block sign in, you block the user from being able to sign into whatever it is that he will want to sign into. You can always come here as well after blocking sign in to go to where you can delete the user. After blocking sign in, you go to exactly where you can delete user. You go to delete user. When you go to delete user, on this place you have where you can actually configure the alias, the delegation of the mailbox, and so on and so forth. Now under this email and OneDrive, you say make their email alias available. If they had an alias, you can make it available. If they do not, this will be unticked. Remove delegate. If there was someone else that had access to the mailbox, you have to take out that person before you delete their account. Then their license that has been assigned to them, which is the developer license, will be taken off. You can give another user access to the mailbox for 30 days. I'll click on this and I'll say why it's important is such that if there's something you want to access from that mailbox, this user will have access to it for 30 days, and then the content can be moved or retained as the case may be. You can also give another person access to this is for the OneDrive file. This is access to the user's email, whereby you can convert the user's email to a shared mailbox. I want to give access to myself, and I'll be able to access this person's emails and maybe respond to others and the rest. I can also decide to configure the name of the shared mailbox. I can use Matthew, the name of the shared mailbox, or I can use another name. I can turn on automatic replies. Here is just a reply that will be sent to people inside the organization. If I want it to be sent to people inside and outside my organization, I can configure it. If I want it to send to people outside the organization with a different message, I can also configure that to my preference. I go next, I click on next, and I'm done with that. I click on transfer ownership. So basically, ownership is being transferred from that user's mailbox to myself. And I click on assign and convert to take a bit of time to convert the mailbox to a shared mailbox, take a bit of time to make sure that I have access to the OneDrive files, and make sure that every single thing that I need to understand is done properly. On assigning licenses, is sending, and then you can see that the licenses have been unassigned. The Microsoft 365 E5 developer license is now available to be assigned to another user. Then the OneDrive access has been given to me. Then they have been converted to a shared mailbox, and access has been granted to me. And automatic replies have been turned on for senders inside and outside my organization. So people outside the organization trying to send a message to that mailbox, when they send it, they'll get an automatic reply that the person is no more there, that they can contact me instead to be able to attend to whatever it is that they may have as challenges. So this is what I intended to show us today. Simple, short, and straight to the point. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. I really appreciate it, and see you next time. Bye.